Question number 1. 2022, Advanced Level Biology. Which of the following statements regarding lipids is correct? 1. Lipids are macromolecules consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. 2. Each hydrocarbon chain of saturated fats contains one double bond. 3. When fats are formed, glycerol and fatty acids are joined by hydrogen bonds. 4. Hydrogen to oxygen ratio in lipids is higher than 2:1. 5. Two phosphate groups are present in a phospholipid molecule. Lipids are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But they are not macromolecules. Macromolecules are basically polymers, which are made of repeating units, called monomers. Example, polysaccharides, proteins and nucleic acids. Their molecular mass falls between 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 10 polysaccharides. Structure of glucose. Polysaccharides are polymers of monosaccharides, such as glucose. Glycosidic bonds are formed between monosaccharide molecules when polysaccharides are made. Example, amylose or starch. Amylose, glycogen and cellulose are polymers of glucose. Proteins. Proteins are polymers of amino acid. Structure of an amino acid. Amine group, carboxyl group, R group. Amino acids are bound by peptide bonds when a protein is made. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides. Structure of nucleotides: sugar molecule, phosphate group, nitrogenous base, deoxyribonucleotides, ribonucleotides. Nucleotides are bound by phosphodiester bonds, and a polynucleotide is resulted due to this bonding. DNA. RNA. DNA is formed by deoxyribonucleotides, which are made by deoxyribose sugar. RNA is formed by ribonucleotides, which are made by ribose sugar, but no such polymerization occurs when lipids are made. Instead, one glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acids are participated to form a lipid. 3 esteric bonds are made between the glycerol molecule and the 3 fatty acid molecules in making a lipid, but the process is not repeated, as in polymers. Lipids are not macromolecules, therefore. The first statement is wrong, therefore. 3 types of lipids are fats, phospholipids, and steroids. Fats are categorized as saturated fats and unsaturated fats, according to the type of fatty acids, which involve in the formation of the lipid. Food, with saturated fat. Food, with unsaturated fat. Saturated fats are made of fatty acids which contain hydrocarbon chains, only with single bonds. On the other hand, unsaturated fats are made by fatty acids, with hydrocarbon chains, which bear one or more double bonds. Accordingly, saturated fats are made of fatty acids which contain hydrocarbon chains, only with single bonds. Unsaturated fats are made by fatty acids, with hydrocarbon chains, which bear one or more double bonds. The second statement is also wrong, therefore. The third statement is also wrong because esteric bonds are found in lipids, as mentioned above, not hydrogen bonds. Ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is 2:1 in carbohydrates. Example, C6H12O6. But ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is higher than 2:1 in lipids, since more hydrogen are found in them. The fourth statement is correct therefore. Phospholipids. One phosphoric acid molecule and two fatty acids are reacted with one glycerol molecule to form a phospholipid. One phosphate group and two fatty acid chains are found in a phospholipid molecule. Therefore, accordingly, the fifth statement is also wrong because only one phosphate group is found in phospholipids. Accordingly, the correct statement about the lipids out of the 5 responses given here is the fourth one. Answer 4. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.